How to buy Premier Tickets League online. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now this is quite simple to do, so let's jump right in. First things first, to browse the internet, you need to open up your browser right here. Once inside your browser, you can just head over to the team that you want to buy tickets of. In my case, it's going to be the Chelsea Foundation. Once inside their website, you can just go ahead and click on something like this button right here, which is tickets and hospitality. But basically, once again, you want to go ahead and open up the team that you want to buy tickets of. In my case, it's going to be Chelsea Foundation. From here, you want to click on buy tickets, and inside we can then go ahead and see the requirements in order to buy tickets from. As an example, we have November right here, which we can buy tickets. I'll just go ahead and click on the Manchester United view tickets. And from here, as you can go ahead and see, you can go ahead and click on the buy button right here. Now, unfortunately, most of the tokens as of the moment is sold out. So let's just go ahead and find one as an example. Now from here, you want to click on the buy now button. Right after, it will now go ahead and take you to this page where you have to log in your account. And right after, all you have to do is to go ahead and put the payment method and you should be good to go. Now, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.